Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix action not available on Roblox. This issue usually happens when your account is not fully verified or is missing required information. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and tap your profile icon at the top. From here, go ahead and open Settings. Now tap on the first option, which is Account Info. Here, check if your email address is verified. If it is not verified, you will see an option to add your email. Tap on Add Email, enter your email address, and confirm. Roblox will send a verification email to your inbox. Open your email, find the message from Roblox, and tap the Verify Email button. Once verified, return to the Roblox app and confirm your email is verified. After that, go back to the home screen and open the game you want to interact with. Make sure you have joined the game at least once before. Now try tapping on the like icon. The action should now work without showing the error. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the action not available error on Roblox by verifying your account email and ensuring proper access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.